Right, okay, so we're going to start by doing a small circular line just like that, and then from there we're going to go up and do a rounded shape, and again just like that, and then in the corners we're just going to section off a little bit and colour it in black. If you want to use felt tips or crayons or paint, that's absolutely fine, because we're all just having a go and being creative. So, okay, next we're going to do a rounded long oval shape, just like that, which is going to be his nose. Then we're going to do a nice big smile, just like that, and round it off with a little flick, just like that. Then, because he's really happy, we're going to do a nice open mouth, and then we're going to do a shape that's a bit like the letter M. So you go boing and boing again. Okay? So you can already see it's starting to come together. Its nose is a little bit wonky on this one, but that doesn't matter because we're all just having a go. Okay, now we're going to do his chin. So we go round, under the mouth, and then we're going to stop there and take it round and stop just where his nose line is, just there. And we're going to go the same the other side, so we're going to go round and stop just in there. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect, because like I said, we're all just having a go at something new. So we're then going to take this all the way up and boing round his eyes in between, and again down to there. Okay, looks a little bit like a frog at the moment, but don't worry, we're going to fix him. So see where his cheek is nice and chubby, just here? We're going to go up and stop there. And the same on the other side, we're going to go around just like that. Now it's time for his ears. So we're going to do a nice big round shape. And finish it off on that side. I've run out of paper, that's not to worry. And then we're going to bring it just down a little bit more like that, and then we're going to come across, and then we're going to go round again. Nice big circles. So these are his ears, and you can make them as big as you like. And what we're going to do now is we're going to colour in all of this bit. So where my pencil's going now, we're going to colour all of this bit in black and colour in his ears as well. If you like, you could colour in his nose, or you could put that in a red colour maybe, and that's it. I'll show you one I did earlier. So these are a couple of tries I've had, and you can see I'm getting better. So what I would like you to do is I would like you to send us your goes at drawing Mickey Mouse. I want to see the biggest ears we've ever seen. So I look forward to seeing all your attempts, and stay safe, keep well, and stay at home. See you soon.